Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss one summer training program or internship that is offered by IIT Kanpur. So that is known as Search 2022. So Search stands for Student Undergraduate Research Graduate Excellence, that is Search. So that is provided by IIT Kanpur. So those students who are in the undergraduate or postgraduate student, they can apply for that. Okay, so before going to that, how can we apply for Search 2022? So we need to google it, that is IIT Kanpur Search. So after that we need to click in the Search 2022 by IIT Kanpur. So after that we will come to this page, the notification page. Okay, so after that we need to click it here, there is a Search 2022 notification. After that we can have this kind of page. Okay, so here important dates are given. So opening of online application, that is the 12th January 2022, and closing of online application, that is 4th February 2022. Okay, so there is a nominal fees for non-IIT student. IIT Kanpur students are there, that is 500. So that is non-refundable. Okay, so here you can see there are some general instructions are there. Okay, so after that, after reading the general instruction, we need to go to the link. Okay, so link is here. Sorry, so link is here. So after clicking this link, we need to go to the, we will get this kind of page here. Okay, so here we need to register. If the candidates are new to this page, so they need to go for the new participant registration. So after having their email, after having the credentials like your name, then email ID, mobile number, so you will get a mail from Search 2022. So and you will get a password and your application number. So after clicking your application number here and password given by you, that will be after login, you will get a this kind of page here. Okay, so here we can see the basic eligibility for the application. So first thing is that BTech or BArch, BS third year completed. Then the students for 5-year integrated program, they can also apply for that. And students having undergraduate, that is BSc or BA second year completed, so those students are in the BSc or BA, the final year students can apply for this. So students who are in the now 5th semester, they can apply for that. Apart from that, the postgraduate student, that will be your master degree students, MSc students, can also apply for that. So the form, online form is will be available from 12th January 2022 to, that will be your 4th February 2022. Okay, and you can pay up to 6th February 2022. So after so the basic requirements for that, so recent size passport photograph, then your a single PDF format not more than 3 MB. Okay, so that contains your research proposal having a write-off of word limit, that is 500, then current transcript. Okay, so apart from that, in the you will get 3 recommendation letter. One, that will be your recommendation letter, that includes a single file in PDF format not more than 1 MB containing recommendation letter one of any faculty who belongs to the applicant institute. So another, that will be your recommendation letter of 2. So a single file PDF format not more than 1 MB containing recommendation letter of 2 of any faculty who belongs to the applicant's institute. Okay. So for that, just prepare a write-off. Okay, so on the basis of write-off, you will be selected. Okay, so after having that, you need to go for the basic criteria like your name, then address, then institutions, then your all the academics details you need to give. Okay, so after that, you need to pay. If you are a non-IIT Kanpur student, you need to pay an amount of 500. So after that, you can be eligible for the candidature. Okay, so that's all. So I request all the undergraduate and master degree students or postgraduate student to apply for it. So it's a kind of you will get exposure in Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur. Okay. So it's a kind of good platform for you. So thank you all of you. I will also provide the link to apply for that. So kindly go through the link below. I will be provided in the description box. Thank you all.